Rakiba. Okay. So what did I say? What you have to use? Which formula you have to use? I had told you to use cos 2x formula, correct? What is the formula for cos 2x? You have cos 2x is equal to cos square x minus sine square x. Okay. You have cos 2x is equal to cos square x minus sine square x. So now here if you see the numerator ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ cos x ಇದೆ. So cos x ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Cos x will be cos square x by 2 minus sine square x by 2. Okay. And then in the denominator if you see we have 1. So 1 is nothing but 1 can be replaced by, we know that 1 is equal to sine square theta plus cos square theta. Okay, 1 is nothing but 1 can also be written as sine square theta plus cos square theta. So here if you see in the numerator ನಮ್ದಿಗೆ ಹೇಗೆ change ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ, our numerator is changing to x by 2. So only thing is your theta should be same. For sine square and cos square the theta should be same, whatever might be the value of theta. So what I'll do, instead of theta I'll write it as sine square x by 2 plus cos square x by 2. Okay. So this is the substitution for 1 in the denominator. Okay. So then we have sin x. We know the formula for sin 2x. What is the formula for sin 2x? It is 2 sin x cos x. Correct? So 2x idaga x ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ? 2x ನ ಅರ್ಧ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. Correct? The angle is becoming half. If it is 2x, it becomes x. If it was 4x, then it should be 2x. But now I have sin x. Sin x. X in a half. What is the half of x? What is the half of x? What is the half of x, students? Half of x. Half of x is x by 2. So this becomes 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. Now substitute these three things in your question. Okay, substitute these three things in your question. So now my question was tan inverse of cos x divided by 1 minus sin x. Okay. Now you find the answer. Okay. If you have understood the substitution, try to find the answer. So it is tan inverse of, what is cos x? Cos x, I will replace it by cos square x by 2 minus sine square x by 2. That is the formula of cos 2x divided by 1 can be replaced by sine square x by 2 plus cos square x by 2 minus sin x will be replaced by 2 sine x by 2 cos x by 2. Okay. Now, what is a square minus b square, students? What is a square minus b square? A plus b into a minus b, correct? A plus b into a minus b. So if you see the numerator, if you observe the numerator, in the numerator it is cos square x by 2 minus sin square x by 2. Andre a iruva jagadalli enide, in place of a we have cos x by 2, in place of b we have sin x by 2. So apply this formula. So that becomes tan inverse of cos a plus b into a minus b. So cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2, okay, into cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2. Okay, divided by. So if you see the denominator, what is the formula for a plus b whole square? What is the formula for a plus b whole square, students? A plus b whole square, not a plus b, sorry. What is the formula for a minus b whole square? A minus b whole square. It is a square plus b square minus 2ab, correct? A minus b whole square is a square plus b square minus 2ab. Now if you see the denominator, it is sin square x by 2 plus cos square x by 2 minus 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. So here if you compare these two, the right hand side of a minus b whole square and the denominator, you can see that you can write a is equal to x by 2, b is equal to cos x by 2, and minus 2ab. So this thing, the denominator can be replaced by a minus b whole square. So here a is sine x by 2 minus cos x by 2 whole square. Okay. Okay students, did you understand till here? Ili tanka artha aita nimage? Have you understood till here? Okay, fine. So now if you see in the numerator we have, okay, okay students, so sin x by 2 minus cos x by 2 whole square can also be written as, because we know that a minus b whole square is always equal to b minus a whole square, correct? A minus b whole square is always equal to b minus a whole square. Yake square ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ರೂ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ sin x by 2 minus cos x by 2 ಅನ್ನು ನಾನು cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2 ಕೂಡ ಬರಿಬಹುದು, ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? So what I'll do, okay, so what I'll do, instead of considering a as sin x by 2, I consider a as cos x by 2. So that becomes cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2 whole square, correct? Cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2 whole square. So now you can see in the numerator we have cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2. In the denominator also we have 2 times square times, andre 2 sala multiply agide cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2. So I can cancel these terms. So what is I am left with? So it is tan inverse of cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 sin x by 2 divided by, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇತ್ತು ಒಂದು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಸೊ ಇಲ್ ಬಿ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಇಲ್ ಬಿ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಔಟ್ ವಿತ್ ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2. Okay, cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 divided by cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2. Now when you see this, you remember something we had discussed yesterday. Ide taraddu cos x plus sin x by cos x minus sin x idaga we had done something. In madidvi, what we had done, good Sahana, we are divided by cos x. Hindina problem, nenne nanu ಒಂದು problem ಮಾಡಿಸಿದ್ದೆ. I had done one problem yesterday. Okay, the same, in the same format it has to come out, correct? Same form ಗೆ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಇದು. So what we have to do here, what we have to do, so we have to divide by which term? Cos x by 2. So divide by cos x by 2, both the numerator and denominator, and get me the answer, students. So divide by cos x by 2 and sin x by 2. I'll erase these things. I hope you have taken it. Okay, so now we'll be left out with tan inverse of cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2, not minus, sorry, plus divided by cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2. Since many of you know what is the next step, the next step is you have to divide the numerator and denominator by cos x by 2. So if you divide, it is tan inverse of cos x by 2 by cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 by sin x by 2. ಇದು ನೋಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ತುಂಬಾ ದೊಡ್ಡದು ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಿದೆ because I am writing each and every step, which is not necessary. If you know the substitution or if you know the formulas properly, you can do it. Okay, so sin x by 2 by cos x by 2. Okay, so then it is tan inverse of 1 minus sin by 1 plus sin by cos is tan. So it is tan x by 2 divided by 1 minus tan x by 2. Good no, Fatima. Good Almas. Okay. So now what I have to do? What I have to do? In the numerator, 1 should be replaced by, see, arda problem matra nimige ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಬೇರೆ ತರ ಇದೆ. In other problem, ಹೋದ problem ಕಲ್ತಾಗೆ. So if you study that problem, you can study both these problems, correct? So if you know this problem, you can do all the problems. So 1 should be replaced by what, students? 1 should be replaced by tan pi by 4. Good. So it is tan pi by 4 plus tan x by 2 divided by 1 minus, here tan x by 2 can be written as 1 into tan x by 2. Again 1 is replaced by tan pi by 4 into tan x by 2. So now what is the formula? Tan x plus tan y divided by 1 minus tan x tan y. What it gives us? What is tan x plus tan y? It is tan x plus y. So we get tan inverse of tan, what is x here? What is x here, students? What is the value of x? What is the value of x here? What is the value of x? It is pi by 4. What is the value of y? What is the value of y? What is the value of y? It is x by 2. So what is tan inverse of tan theta? What is tan inverse of tan x? What is tan inverse of tan x? It is x. So we get here the answer to be pi by 4 plus x by 2. Pi by 4 plus x by 2. Hope the problem was clear. So ನೀವು ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಕಲ್ತ್ರೆ ಹೋದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಕೂಡ ನಿಮಗೆ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಸೇಮ್ ತರ ಇದೆ. You have nothing to change. It was the same problem, only ಅರ್ಧ ತನಕ ನೀವು ಕಲಿಬೇಕಿತ್ತು. That is, you don't have to study also if you know the formulas. Okay, so can we move to the next question? Can we move to the next question, students? Yes. Okay, so we'll move on. This is your next question. So let me see who will give me the substitution for this. Yaar kodtiri nanige substitution. So it is something with tan inverse, correct? Tan inverse fraction ide. Hauda? Tan inverse alli fraction ide, but numerator 1 illa. So illi ಏನು ಬರಬೇಕು? tan ಬರಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ sin by cos ಬರಬೇಕು. Sin by cos ಬರಬೇಕು. So what should be the substitution for x? What should be the substitution for x? Remember we have here a also. It is a square minus x square. So what might be the substitution for x? X is equal to only sin theta, or anything else is also there? X is equal to sin theta or anything else is there? A sin theta. Good. A sin x. Good. Good Sahana. It is a sin theta. Good Simran. It is a sin theta. Why? You will observe. ಯಾಕೆ ನಾವು a sin theta ಹಾಕ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಅಂತ observe ಮಾಡಿ. Okay. I'll put let x is equal to a sin theta. Okay. Let x is equal to a sin theta, which means a ಇಲ್ಲಿ multiply ಆಗಿದೆ. So when you take it to the other side, it becomes division. So x by a is equal to sin theta, or what is theta then? Theta is equal to sin inverse x by a. Okay, theta is equal to sin inverse x by a. Have you understood this? X is equal to a sin theta anta substitution madidini. Then what I have done, I have taken a to the other side. Since it is multiplication, when you take it to the other side, it becomes division. So x by a is equal to sin theta. So theta is nothing but sin inverse of x by a. Okay. So now you look at the denominator. We have in the denominator square root of a square minus x square. Substitute, you'll get a square minus x is a sin theta. Then what is x square? It is a square sin square theta. Okay. So that is equal to square root of, if you see the first two terms, a square and a square sin square theta, what is common over here, students? What is common here? A square is common, correct? Yes, good. So we can take a square outside. So if I take a square outside, in the first term, we'll be left out with 1 minus sin square theta. Now, can anyone tell me what is 1 minus sin square theta? What is 1 minus sine square theta? 1 minus sine square theta is cos square theta. Good student. So it is cos square theta. So now you have square root and square. So it becomes a cos theta whole square. Correct? So square root and square get cancels. So your denominator has been reduced to a cos theta. Correct? Your denominator has been reduced to a cos theta. Now you take your question. Tan inverse of x by square root of a square minus x square. So substitute the thing whichever we have taken. X is equal to a sine theta divided by what is square root of a square minus x square? It is a cos theta. So it is a cos theta. So can we cancel a and a? So we'll be left out with tan inverse of what is sine theta by cos theta? It is tan theta. Good. So it is tan theta. So what is tan? A get cancelled, Selvina. Sin theta by cos theta is tan theta. What is tan inverse of tan theta? It is theta. But what is theta? Theta we had taken as sin inverse x by a. Sin inverse x by a. So this is your answer. In the why we have taken a into sin theta, correct? I hope now you have understood why we have taken it as a into sin theta, because ಇಲ್ಲಿ a ಇದೆ. ನನಗೆ 1 minus 1 ಇದ್ದಿದ್ರೆ ನಾನು directly 1 ಅಂತ ತಗೋಬಹುದಿತ್ತು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ number ಇದೆ, the same number you have to take as a x is equal to that number into sin theta. Okay, so we'll move on to the next question. So this is your next question. That is tan inverse of 3a square x minus x cube divided by a cube minus 3ax square. Okay, I'll repeat it once again. Here in the previous question, it is I have taken x is equal to a sine theta. So x by a is equal to sine theta. So theta becomes sine inverse of x by a. Then you substitute it in the denominator. So a square minus a square sine square theta. If you take out a square, you'll be remaining with 1 minus sine square theta, which is nothing but cos square theta. So square and square root get cancels. So which gives a cos theta. Then if you do the substitution, you'll get tan inverse of tan theta, which is theta, that is equal to sine inverse x by a. Now, when you see this question, you just observe the things inside the bracket. Can you recall any formula, or can you find something which you have studied earlier? 3x minus tan 3x. Good, Nitya Lakshmi. What is the formula for tan 3x, students? What is the formula for tan 3x? It is good, Simran. So it is 3 tan x minus tan cube x divided by 1 minus 3 tan square x. Correct? 3a square x. If you see, so it is, you know the formula for tan 3x. So tan 3x is 3 tan x minus tan cube x divided by 1 minus 3 tan square x. So somewhat it is in that form, but we have a term extra. So what we have to give as substitution? What will be the substitution here? X is equal to a tan theta. Good, Vaishnavi. It is x is equal to a tan theta. So if you give x is equal to a tan theta, what will be your further answers? You just check. So again, you have to take x to, a to the other side. So it becomes x by a is equal to tan theta. Okay, so theta is equal to tan inverse of x by a. Okay, theta is equal to tan inverse of x by a. Now substitute the value of x wherever is required. So it is 3a square into x is a tan theta. Substitute a tan theta minus x cube. So it is a cube tan cube theta divided by a cube minus 3a into, we have x square. So x square becomes a square tan square theta. Okay. So that is tan inverse of, so here you can see 3a square into a, so 3a cube tan theta minus a cube tan theta tan cube theta divided by a cube minus 3. A into a square is again a cube tan square theta. So now can you find something in common in the numerator? Can you find anything common in the numerator? Can you find anything common in the numerator, students? A cube is common. So, and what about the denominator? What about the denominator? What about the denominator, students? What about the denominator? Again, a cube is common. Good. So we'll take a cube outside. So we'll be remaining with 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta in the numerator. And from the denominator, if you take a cube common, so you'll be left out with 1 minus 3 tan square theta. Okay. So a cube get cancels. So we'll get tan inverse of 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta divided by 1 minus 3 tan square theta. So that is tan inverse of, what is this thing inside the bracket? What is this thing inside the bracket? It is tan 3 theta. So tan inverse of tan x is, what is tan inverse of tan x? What is tan inverse of tan x? It is x. So here we have 3 theta. So it is 3 into, what is tan inverse of tan x? 3 into, theta is tan inverse of x by a. Theta is tan inverse of x by a. So this is your answer. So you take it down. Till then I'll explain it again. So we have taken x is equal to a tan theta. So that becomes x by a is equal to tan theta. Okay, we will get x by a is equal to tan theta. Theta is equal to tan inverse x by a. Substitute the things. So from that you can see that in the numerator a cube is common. So I have taken a cube out. Similarly in the denominator you can see a cube is common. So it is 1 minus 3 tan square theta. So a cube get cancels. So when you see the term inside the bracket, it is nothing but the formula of tan 3x. So substitute that. So you'll get tan inverse of tan 3 theta. So tan inverse of tan x is always x. Here it is 3 theta. Substitute the value of theta. So this is how you solve this problem. So can we move to the next question? I hope you have understood this one. Remember all these questions, they have repeated once in the exams. So you just observe carefully and practice it. Okay. So the next question. Okay. So substitution things are done. Now we'll find the values of the functions. Okay, inverse trigonometric functions. So this is something which is very easy. Okay, so you know the BODMAS rule, right? Why we use the BODMAS rule? Why we use the BODMAS rule? Why we use the BODMAS rule? ಯಾಕೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ BODMAS rule ಅನ್ನು? ಈಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ 2 plus 3 minus 2 into 3 into 2 andre to work easier or to work in a proper order, correct? So what does B stands for in BODMAS? What does B stands for? It's not to work easier. B stands for bracket. Not to work easier we use BODMAS, but ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಒಂದು common answer ಬರಲಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ BODMAS rule ಅನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Okay, so that we'll get a common answer. If ಒಬ್ಬರಿಗೆ ಈಗ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಈಸಿ ಅಂತ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮತ್ತೊಬ್ರು ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಬರ್ಬೋದಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಒಂದು ರೂಲ್ ಇರ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ, ಇದೇ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ. ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ವಿ ಯೂಸ್ ದ BODMAS rule. So here also we have brackets. So what you'll do, first you'll solve the bracket inside, that is the common bracket. First ಈ common bracket ಒಳಗಡೆ ಏನಿದೆ solve ಮಾಡಿ, then you solve whatever the things is there in the square bracket, and then you can get the answer. Try to get the answer because you know these things. So first here you have to solve tan inverse of 2 cos, okay, 2. You find what is sin inverse half? Can someone give me the answer of sine inverse half? What is the value of sine inverse half? How to do this? Take sine inverse half is equal to y. Then sine y is equal to half. At what angle sine takes the value half? At what angle sine takes the value half, students? Half? Sahana? At what angle? Pi by 60. Pi by 6 it is. Okay, 30 degree. Good, students. So we'll write it as sine pi by 6. So what is the value of y? Y is pi by 6. Now you have to check whether this pi by 6 belong to our principal value branch. So what is the principal value branch of sine inverse function? What is the principal value branch of sine inverse function? Principal value branch. I'm not talking about domain. Principal value branch. Minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. Good Subramanya. Good Nitya Lakshmi. So pi by 6 minus pi by 2 matte pi by 2 ಒಳಗಡೆ ಬರುತ್ತಾ? Whether it comes? Yes. So what is the value of sine inverse of minus half? It is pi by 6. So you put 2 into pi by 6. Okay. Then again tan inverse of 2 cos 2 and 6 get cancelled. 2 ones are, 2 threes are. So you'll be remaining with cos pi by 3. So what is the value of cos pi by 3, students? What is the value of cos pi by 3? Cos pi by 3. 2 I have to write as it is. What is the value of cos pi by 3?